Rich Tarani with TMC here. Thanks for watching. We're at INTEROP 2014 in New York. I've got Kiran with Anuta Networks on the program. Kiran, welcome.
Thank you, Rich. Thanks for having us.
So we're thrilled to have you. Why don't we start by talking about what your company does?
So, Rich, we are a software-defined networking company. What we do is network virtualization for the existing infrastructure. See, our customers, service providers, and large enterprises, they have invested a lot of money on best-of-breed network infrastructure, be it Cisco routers, Juniper firewalls, Cisco firewalls, load balancers. What they're looking for is to efficiently optimize their network operations. They're looking at SDN as an opportunity to build network services and deliver network services within minutes. That's what we offer for their existing infrastructure. That's our unique strength. We deliver SDN benefits such as self-service, reducing the operating expenses, and reducing the time to market on their existing multi-vendor infrastructure, whether it's physical or virtual appliances. So we support all the industry-leading vendors, whether it's the Cisco routers, FI load balancers, Juniper firewalls, Riverbed WAN optimization. And what's more important is that we also have support for NFV, the network function virtualization. So that way, customers can spin up virtual routers, virtual firewalls, virtual load balancers on demand using our orchestration software. So in a nutshell, we deliver SDN for existing multi-vendor infrastructure and for large enterprises as well as large telecom service providers.
So in terms of the cost then, a company doesn't need to throw out their existing infrastructure, no forklift upgrades basically.
Yes, that's the major selling point of our solution. With less than $50,000, you can start with our product and we can start showing the ROI within 2 weeks, because the simple use case I'll tell you. Customers like banks, they have hundreds of operators and all they do is they log into a firewall and configure firewall rules. With our software, you can automate the creation of firewall rules. That means you no longer need to have Cisco experts, Juniper experts. All they are doing is configuring firewall rules, right? From a self-service portal, all you do is simply, allow traffic from this virtual network to this virtual network. And within minutes, our software will translate it to the actual CLI, whether it's a Cisco firewall or a Juniper firewall or a Checkpoint firewall. Regardless of the vendor, regardless of the version that they have, we can translate it into the actual CLI. That's how we build efficiencies into the network operations.
Are there any drawbacks to not doing a forklift upgrade but just using your existing equipment, like in terms of is the equipment slower, are there challenges, things like that?
I would say not drawbacks. It's a way to evolve from your current situation, right? No one can afford a forklift upgrade, especially when you invested so many millions of dollars on your existing infrastructure. Of course, our solution will support the new age use cases, whether it's the micro-segmentation or whether it's the overlay models. We can support them too. And that's why I like to think of us as a bridge between your existing network and the future, where you are looking to optimize everything through a programmable network devices.
And you mentioned NFV, so you're also looking at carriers as customers?
Yes, one of our carrier customer is from Australia, and what they're doing is very interesting. They are trying to compete with Amazon in their area, right? So instead of building a public cloud and trying to optimize and compete with Amazon, what they are doing is they are working with Microsoft Azure Cloud, and they're using our software as a mediator between the service provider's public cloud and Azure's public cloud as well. So we are able to create virtual networks inside the Microsoft Azure cloud and let the service provider or telecom carrier expose these network services to their managed enterprises, again within minutes.
Thank you. Is there anything else we should know?
SDN is coming up and there is a lot of traction, and Anuta is helping you migrate from your current situation to the new age SDN world. So,
thanks for being here.
Thank you, Rich.